Hello Fanatics! With our review of The Circle coming out, we decided to share a few things to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! The Social Network is a biographical drama directed by David Fincher, starring Jesse Eisenberg, Andrew Garfield, and Justin Timberlake. It follows the story of Mark Zuckerberg as he creates the social networking site Facebook. This film has similar themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Black Mirror is a sci-fi thriller series created by Charlie Brooker with an ensemble cast. The show is an anthology series that shows the dark, paranoia-inducing side of the relationship between life and technology. This series has similar themes. There is mild nudity and some violent scenes throughout. Enemy of the State is an action thriller directed by Tony Scott, starring Will Smith, Gene Hackman, and Jon Voight. It follows the story of a lawyer who is framed for murder after receiving evidence in a political conspiracy. This film has similar themes. There are some violent scenes throughout. Snowden is a biographical drama directed by Oliver Stone, starring Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Shailene Woodley, and Melissa Leo. It follows the story of Edward Snowden, who leaks thousands of classified government documents to the press regarding the NSA's illegal invasion of privacy. This film has similar themes. There is some mild nudity throughout. The Truman Show is a sci-fi comedy directed by Peter Weir, starring Jim Carrey, Ed Harris, and Laura Linney. It follows the story of an insurance salesman who discovers his life is actually a television show. This film has similar themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Hopefully you like some of these things just as much as you did The Circle. If you have any things that you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these things, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the movie The Circle. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.